Discarded chewing gum is sticky, unsanitary, and messy, and can go from stuck on outside sidewalks to stuck on the floors inside your store. Gum stains on concrete also give your customers the wrong impression and discourage them from entering your store to purchase more. To remove gum on concrete, traditional methods include pressure washing or using corrosive chemicals, but those can be expensive, time-consuming, and risk damaging your underlying surfaces. These methods also require that the area be completely vacant of staff or customers and can be damaging to concrete surfaces and the surrounding equipment. RADO Gum Remover is the safe, easy-to-use gum remover designed for use on concrete, asphalt, carpet, upholstery, tiles, linoleum, and wood surfaces. RADO quickly freezes gum, making gum brittle and easier to remove without impacting surface coloring or leaving behind any residue. The ergonomic actuator prevents fingertip, hand chill, and fatigue, while the provided straw helps pinpoint RADO directly at the spot. What takes hours to clean with a pressure washer takes just seconds with RADO. From forecourts and sidewalks to carpeted entrances and linoleum, RADO will keep your surfaces looking clean, gum-free, and customer-ready.